Hello and welcome to the channel. I got a Jybot. This is from a store called Showcase, where they show a lot of I see on TV stuff. So I'm assuming this is from some TV ad or something like that. But this is a self-balancing robot. And I've got a couple things to test this on, and I've also got two fully charged rechargeable AA batteries, because this thing takes two AA batteries to function. They just go on top. Okay. I think this cage... Let me just figure this out. So you gotta twist these pegs. Pop them out. This cage comes off. It's in the off position. Oop, didn't quite get in there. There we go. One battery. Another battery. Now I think this whole thing can actually come apart. You can modify it and stuff like that, but not gonna do that this video. Okay, that's back on there. Okay. So it works. That's a good sign. Now I think there's a way to. Let me see here. How do the wheels? Oh, there with the stickers. Oh, I found them. So these are stickers to go on the gyroscope and the eyes, but I'm not going to worry about those right now. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's only double-sided. Okay, it doesn't tell me how to remove. Okay, the actual wheel. Probably have to take the whole thing apart to kind of figure that part out, which I don't feel like doing right now. To be able to put this cone in this spot so that it balances in one spot. Okay. First let's try this rope that it comes with. I don't have enough space. Crap. Well, that might work. Let it warm up. Oh, it's still going faster. Okay. There we go. Oh, that didn't quite work. Okay, I have an idea. Let's put that upside down. Okay, I have a couple of more solid objects. Okay. In the promotional material, it showed it going around the lip of a mug. So I have a broken mug. Okay. Wait for it to fire up here. Okay, it's not spinning fast enough yet. Oh, now I can feel the gyration. Oh, not quite. Nope, not yet. And now, nope, not quite. This might be too small. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it might be too small of a circumference. Okay, I do have one more item. I will get this working. Got a broken pot. This should work. Yeah, I might have to hold the pot. Ah, there we go. Now I got it working. It almost seems like it's going to lose balance. Well, I'll let it go until it falls off. Like that. So clearly it doesn't last forever on a surface, because it seems like it's still continuously ramping up. Seems like they didn't put any kind of limiter on it to how fast it gyrates and stuff like that, so eventually it loses balance. Well, that kind of sucks, but well, at least it didn't cost me a lot. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and actually I'll put it in frame now that it stopped spinning. It comes with this like display base. Came with this rope and the cone. Oh, that's off center. There we go. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a good one.